What is the name of the first astronaut to step on the moon? Neil Armstrong. What animal is this? Koala. What is the name of this fruit? Soursop. Which country is BTS from? South Korea. In folklore, who leaves a small payment when children place their baby teeth underneath their pillow? Tooth Fairy. What country's international vehicle registration code is MEX? Mexico.